First, click AI pattern on the right. Choose Versatile Style. Now, we entered the Versatile Style page. Click on the upload area above, and we can select the original image we want to change the style and color. Click Upload below to select the color and style reference images. Drag to adjust style reference intensity. A higher value will make it closer to the reference image. In the description field, enter the elements you want to retain. Choose the number of images you want to generate. Click Intelligent Generation. Now we have 4 generated images. Let's view the details. The generated images retain the original patterns, while incorporating the style and colors of the reference images. And we can compare the pattern. We can compare the details of the 3 images. If you like the patterns, click Favorites to save them to your personal account. The images added to favorites can be found by clicking here. This way, you can find the images you like.